Welcome back. This is going to be just a quick update to the video entitled Cloud Peak 2 Design Changes. It was quite some time ago, but I've only just realised I actually forgot to add this bit, and this is a bit that I particularly like. So where's one I can get hold of better? Yeah, this one will do. Right, what I like is these pole clips. Normally, on most of the tents I've seen, and those on YouTube, you click them on from one way only, but these, oh excuse me, put in sideways and then twist them. I don't know if you could see that. Let's get a tad closer here so you can see that a little bit better. Put them on sideways and then twist them on. So you've got one comes from this way and one comes from the other way, and they are super on there. No strong wind is going to take them off. I would imagine the other normal ones are perfectly fine. I personally just feel a little bit more comfortable with these ones. So there you go, twist and off, sideways and twist. And to me, I feel quite comfortable with them. Anyway, it's just a quick update. I don't know why I forgot to add that. Old age. I'm going to keep using that as an excuse. Get away with anything if I say, yeah, well, I'm an old age pensioner. Right, there we go. I'll call that a day. Nice to see you all again. Thanks to all those that have seen my previous videos. Maybe I'll see you again soon. I don't know if it'll be before the spring or during the spring. Right, magic hand, here we go. See you all later.